Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. My video for you today is my new catalog haul. So these are the items that I was able to order yesterday. I do have a few more items coming next week, but this video is just going to cover the items that I received today. So I'm going to cover the paper first. And this very first one is called Dino Roar. And oh my gosh, so cute, right? Okay, so that's the first page, and then this is the back side. Then we've got the next page, and then here's the back side. Love that. Here's this one, and the back side. So cute. This is going to be one of my favorite packs. This one, and this one. And even though I don't have small children now, I can still use the B side of most of these papers. And my customers have children and grandchildren. So there's that one. Love that. And then here's this one. And then the back side. Super cute pack of paper. Okay, the next one is See a Silhouette. I believe that's the name of it. Let me get to the back of this here. Yes, See a Silhouette. So this is the first side, and there's the back side, front side, and the back side, front side, and the back side, front and back, front and back, and front, I like this one, and back. And they coordinate. Okay, the next pack of paper is this one. And let's see what the name of this one is. Pressed Petals. Okay, so this is the front. Now these come with 4 of each sheet, okay? So here's the back side. And then front and back. Front and back, and this paper is thinner too. So this is the front and the back. Love this. This is going to be a nice pack of paper. So front and back, front and back. Okay, our last pack of paper that I'm going to share with you is the Noble Peacock. And also, this is not all the paper in the catalog. I covered all the other packs of Designer Series paper in my other haul video, okay? And it looks like this is maybe not Noble Peacock. Maybe it's the foil. I'm not sure. I'll have to double check that. This is the Brights and the Subtles of the stacks, okay? So if you wanted to get a good look at this new pack of paper, let's check out the Balmy Blue. So that's the gingham print, and that's that one. And then here's this one and this one. There's only 2 pieces in each stack of the design, so that's one of the reasons why I didn't do a share, because it'd basically be splitting this up between 2 people. I guess if enough people wanted it, I could do that. Y'all have to let me know. Now here's some stamp sets. I Say Hello, Wildly Happy, Welcome to the Team, Grandma's House, can't wait to use that one, Back on Your Feet, so stinking cute, right? Brick background, or not brick, birch background, I can't read this morning, All Wired Up background, Family Party, You Always Deliver, Check You Out, Lots of Cheer. So now I've got Seaside Notions, Will Walrus Be Friends? That's a tongue twister for me because of the W's. Ride With Me bundle. So there's the stamp set, and here are the dies. Can't wait to use those. A Wish for Everything bundle along with the dies. Dino Days. The dies are here somewhere. Oh, here they are. And then Wiggle Worm, also with the dies. Okay. Now, I've got the Brick and Mortar embossing folder. Beads and Baubles embossing folder, and High Seas. I'm going to get these out of the way and we'll cover the next section. So this is the denim 3/8 inch ribbon. This is the Rococo Rose gathered ribbon. This is the Purple Violet tricolor ribbon. Pretty. And this one is the Old Olive Pretty Peacock. And then Crushed Curry seam binding, right? Yep. Okay. Now for markers, we've got Pretty Peacock, Purple Posy, Seaside, is that Seaside? Yeah, Seaside Spray, Rococo Rose, Gray Granite, and So Saffron. So those are our blends. And then this is the In Color Stampin' Write markers, okay? Now I've got the mini library clips. So let me open those and show you. These are tiny, really tiny. This is the Shimmer Embossing Powder, Whisper White, or White Shimmer. This is the Dino Roar Enamel Shapes. I got myself 2 of those. They're so cute. The Copper Dotted Treat Bags. The Designer Elements. I was really looking forward to seeing what these look like. Now I'm going to have to order more. They're cute. My favorite embellishment, I think, next to the faceted flowers, is the Noble Peacock Rhinestones. I love these colors. So pretty. I got myself bunches of those. And then I have the Eyelet Lace embossing folder. So I should have showed you that with the other ones, but it was a little bit buried in my loot. So I have 4 more things to show you. This Daisy Lane Punch, or the Daisy Punch. This is smaller than the other one, okay? And then this is the Tags and More accessory kit. Let's open that. I just want to see what's in here. Love those clips. There's my larger clips. Okay, so yay. These are cute. Yeah, those are good. I'll have to order more of these. Those are keepers. Okay, now we've got the Take Your Pick die brush tip. So in here comes these 2. You're going to take your, but you want to use your, does it go on this end? Nope, it goes on the other end. So let me put this back in here. So we want to unscrew this one. And that's how it works. Okay? Pretty awesome. And you can set it in here. And then, now that hole is pretty large. I don't think I'd be using my chick stand for that. Okay, one more item to show you. And it is the, well, the name was on the cellophane. Here it is. Okay, so this is the Looking Up card kit, and this is the stamp set. And I am going to open this because this is one of those items that I love the samples that they showed. So I want to show them to you. Okay, the clear block. So this kit is perfect for new stampers. Got some dimensionals in there. The envelopes. Look how cute the envelopes are. Oh my gosh, darling, right? And they're lined. So here's the stamp, or here's the cards. And so you're just going to be adding some embellishments and some greetings, right? That's awesome. I think this one's going to do very well. Probably going to go on back order, right? Well, I don't know. It has the stamp set in it, so maybe it won't because I don't think we can order the refills. Yeah. Super cute. Okay, so this wraps up my video today for the new catalog haul. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Have a great day. Bye.